Want to switch from Straight Talk to Verizon and keep your number? It's called number porting, and it's straightforward. First, your number must be active with Straight Talk. Next, you'll need a number transfer PIN from Straight Talk to authorize the transfer. This prevents unauthorized porting. This PIN is valid for a limited time, usually 30 days. Without it, Verizon can't initiate the transfer. Make sure your Verizon account is already set up with a compatible plan. Once you have the number transfer PIN, contact Verizon at 1-800-922-0204 or use their online porting tool. Provide the PIN and your Straight Talk account information. Verizon will handle the transfer, which usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Same-day transfers are sometimes possible. You'll receive SMS updates. Your Straight Talk SIM remains active until the Verizon SIM activates. The transfer itself is typically free. After the transfer, confirm everything works and update any services linked to your old number. Ensure you have an active Straight Talk account when requesting the transfer. Some users have experienced delays with PIN generation, so contact TracFone support if needed.